Alright, so welcome to this last video on this Venn diagrams question. So we are told that in a group of 120 students, 60 studied mathematics, 40 studied physics, 55 studied chemistry, and 22 studied none of them. So let's draw the Venn diagram first of all. Alright, so I have the universal set. I'm going to try and make it very big because the bigger your circle, the easier it is for you to understand what you are doing. Alright. When you have more space to work, is better. So in fact, I think I should go downwards and then I will keep coming upwards to read the question. So I'll read it from somewhere else. So let me draw this universal line here. I need to draw as big a circle as possible so that when I'm solving, I won't make any errors. Okay? So we have three groups of students studying maths, physics, and chemistry. So let's draw them: maths, physics, and chemistry. So the first circle I'm going to draw, let's say this for maths, I'll label it M. The next circle I'll draw for physics, I'll label it P. And the third circle, I'll label it chemistry. So I have my three circles in a group of 120 students. So in this case, E is equals to 120 students. All right. Now, 60 studied mathematics. So let me reduce my fonts. 60 students studied mathematics. So what that means is here I have 60. Okay. I'll reduce it further because we always write a lot of things inside the circles. And then 40 studied physics. So I have 40 students studying physics. 55 studied chemistry. I have 55 studying chemistry. All right. 22 studied none. So I'll put 22 outside here. All right, outside the circles, but inside the universal set. Then I'm told 12 studied physics and mathematics only. Physics and mathematics only. So which part of the circle corresponds to physics and mathematics only? It's here, 12. All right. And then 8 studied chemistry and physics only. Where is chemistry and physics? This is chemistry, this is physics. 8 persons studied only chemistry and physics. And then 7 studied maths and chemistry only. 7 studied maths and chemistry only. So maths and chemistry, this is here, 7 students. All right. So how many studied the 3 subjects? I was not given, but I was told to draw a Venn diagram. So since I don't know how many people studied 3 subjects, I'm going to put X. All right. So X there. So remember what we did in our last example. So if I want to get the rest of this box here, everything that is remaining here, all right, let me shade it. For example, if I'm going to get the rest of that box, what am I going to have? I'm going to have this 60 I have here minus every other thing that is touching inside the box. So it's going to be 60 minus the addition of the other thing. So I'll put it in brackets. So this is like 60 minus 12 plus 7 plus X. All right. So I'm going to say apply the same thing for this physics side. If I want to know how many students did only physics, I would also do what? I would also minus this size I'm shading. So I'm going to have 40 minus 12 plus X plus 8. I hope you know why I put it in bracket. If you open this bracket, you have 40 minus 12 minus X minus 8 without bracket. It's the same thing. It just makes my work look clear. And also for the chemistry side, I would also minus the shaded parts in chemistry. All these places that are shaded, I'm going to remove them from 55. So that will be 55 minus 7 plus 8 plus X. So I've been able to represent this information in my Venn diagram. So I was told to now find the number of students that studied all 3 subjects, which is my X. Remember, like what I've said in the past, the summation of everything in this box, everything that's here, should give me the universal set, which is 120. So which means if I add everything I'm seeing here, it should be equal to 120. With that information, I can find my X. All right. So what am I going to have? Let's start from mathematics side. What this simply means is, so for mathematics, I have 60 minus, this is where I am. I'm writing these digits, minus 12 plus 7 plus x. All right. Now, let me go to physics. I like to write the longer ones first. Plus 40 minus 12 plus x plus 8. Now, let's go to chemistry. Plus 55 minus 7 plus 8 plus x. Now, let's go to these inner circles. 12, 7, 8. Plus, let me go down. 12 plus 7 plus 8. Then plus the x in the middle, plus x, then plus these 22 students that did nothing, should all be equals to the total universal set, 120. So that's basically it for Venn diagram. If you're able to represent the information in a Venn diagram, you don't have any problem. It's all about understanding how to represent the information. So adding everything should give me 120. That's the meaning. So let's proceed. This is the same thing. Let's proceed now. I have 60 minus, this is 19 plus x, right? Let me open the bracket. There is no need to, or no, let me keep it in the bracket first. 60 minus 19 plus x, all right? Plus, I'm coming down here now. I'm here now. Plus 40 minus 12 plus x plus 8. That is the same as 20 plus x, all right? Plus, I'm going to the next side, 55 minus 7 plus x plus 8, that's 15 plus x, plus, if I add this, 12 plus 7 plus 8, that's 19 plus 8 is 27. So 27 plus this 22 is 49. So I have plus 49, then plus this x here, I didn't forget about it, right? Plus x will all be equal to 20. So we are proceeding, we are progressing rather. So let's open the brackets now. I'm going to have 60 minus 19 minus x, because this minus that is outside the bracket is going to times the plus that is inside and it will turn to minus. All right. So 60 minus 19 minus x plus 40 minus 20 minus x, right? Plus 55 minus 15 minus x plus 49 plus x is equals to 1. So you just have to be very careful when you are adding up your digits to make sure that you don't leave anything behind, because if you leave something behind, there will be problem. So let's collect like terms. So I have 60 minus 19 plus 40 minus 20 plus 55 minus 15 plus 49. All right. Then let's go for the x's, starting from the very beginning here. All right. Minus x minus x minus x plus x is all equals to 1. So I'm going to work this with my calculator. I have 60 minus 19 plus 40 minus 20 plus 55 minus 15 plus 49. All right, that gives me 150. All right, then minus x minus x minus x, that is minus 3x. Minus 3x plus s is minus 2x. All right, that is minus 2x is equals to 120. So I can collect like terms. I can move this minus 2x over to the other side and bring minus 1 and bring 120 over here. So that is 150 minus 120 is equals to 2x. So this is 30. 150 minus 120 is 30. 30 is equals to 2x. All right. So if you divide both sides by 2, you are going to have that x is equals to. So the total number of students that did all three subjects here, all three subjects is 15. 15 students. And now the second question now told us, find the number of students that studied only mathematics. Only mathematics, which means they want us to tell us the actual value, only mathematics, just this part of the circle that is shaded, that I'm shading with blue. Only mathematics, which corresponds to, let me solve it here, 60 minus 12 plus 7 plus x. They said we should find the total number of students. Now I know my x. I just got x as 15. So it's easy. All right. This is now 60 minus 12 plus 7 plus 15. All right, 60 minus, what is 12 plus 7 plus 15? That's 19 plus 15, that is 34. So 60 minus 34, that's equals to 26 students. So 26 students that did only mathematics. You can also be told to solve for physics. It's the same thing. This is the only physics aspect. All right, this is only chemistry. So it's all about learning how to interpret it in a Venn diagram. Know which side belongs to which side. Know which side belongs to only mathematics. Know which side belongs to only maths and physics, only maths and chemistry. Once you do that, you have no problem. So thank you very much for staying with me for the end of this video, and I wish you the best in your whatever exams that you are going to write after watching this video. Thanks for watching.